a gunny sack. Head full of dreams and a pocket full of pennies. Didn't have a bed, in fact, I never needed any. You loved by some and you hated by many. Gotta pop 'em and rock 'em and sock 'em with the shimmy sack. Sock 'em with the shimmy sack. Hey, hey, hey. A champagne taste on a silver bullet budget. Came with a ball if you're afraid to nudge it. My daddy always says, son, it's like I told you. If you want to go and get it, can't nobody get it for you. Can't nobody get it for you. Got a dollar, stick it in my jar. They always told me, son, you will go far. I dance for the money, but I sing for applause. Try and come and get me, try and come and get me. You can try and come and get me, I ain't breaking any laws. Don't call a doctor till you're feeling ill. You never need a lawyer unless you dealt a dirty deal. Don't reach in your pocket till you put your money down. And you don't need to dance and choose when Cody comes to town. When Cody comes to town, yeah. You're gonna need to dance and choose when Cody comes to town. Take it back.
This dance is called Banjo Boogie, choreographed by Scott Blevins, Bradley Mather, and Thompson, Szymanski. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. There's a step change on wall 4. Section 1, starting with right foot, rock forward with a body roll, recover, pony back, right foot back, together back, touch your left, left foot side, touch, right foot side, touch, left foot side, together, side. Section 2, English cross, quarter turn left, bow cross facing 9, quarter turn right, right foot forward facing 12, chase half turn, left foot forward, pivot half turn right, forward facing 6, step right foot forward, make spiral full turn to your left, left foot forward facing 6, step right foot to the side, angle body to the left diagonal facing 430. Hip lasso twice. Circle hip counterclockwise twice as you circle your right hand above head like a lasso. 7, 8. Weight ends on your right foot. Section 3. Left foot side, square up to 6, touch right foot behind, 1 1/4 rolling turn to your right. Quarter turn right forward, half turn right back, half turn right forward facing 9, left foot mambo, rock forward, recover back, round back, right, left, right, drag your left. Section 4, left foot, coaster, step, out, out, right, left, right foot in center, left foot cross. Right foot side, touch your left, push your left knee in, left foot side, touch your right, push your right knee in, 3/4 turn to your right, step in, right, left, right, brush your left, facing 6 o'clock. Section 5, left foot, step, lock, step, right foot, step, lock, step, left foot forward. Right foot, kick, cross, left foot slightly back, recover, left foot, kick, cross, right foot slightly back, recover. Last section, right foot forward, push hips forward. Recover, quarter turn to your left facing 3, Cross your right, quarter turn right, left foot back, quarter turn right, right foot side, facing 9, left foot, cross rock, recover, quarter turn left, forward, facing 6 o'clock. 3/4 turn to your left, bow step, quarter turn left, bow step, quarter turn left, bow, quarter turn left, step. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now let me go over wall 4. On wall 4, you will dance 18 counts. Then omit count 19 to 30. Then continue the dance from count 31. Now let me show you wall 4 with count starts facing 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. This is the end of 18 counts. Now continue the dance from count 31. 3/4 turn to your right. 7 and 8 and. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.